So, it is now 10 o'clock. We had a 9:30 a.m. appointment at the Aspen Dental in Mount Airy. We showed up, and the lobby is open. Everything's open. Let's go into the Aspen Dental at Mount Airy that we've been sitting in for 40 minutes. We showed up at 9:20. We've been yelling and calling for people. Hello? There's like nobody here, but everything's here. And there's shoes here. There's shoes in the floor. Hello? Like, I'm legit worried. I've been on the phone to corporate on hold for like 20 minutes. But there's nothing here. Like, we're about to leave because I've watched too many horror movies for this. Hey, did you see the pair of shoes in the in one of the labs? There's just a pair of shoes sitting in the floor. Yeah. They're not mine. But yeah, we've been here for 30, 40 minutes. And we've been on hold for 33 minutes trying to talk to corporate to figure out why our 9:30 a.m. emergency appointment isn't happening. So yeah, like Aspen Dental, what's up?
There was another person that came in